Well, quick video. New blade for my tile saw. Got it on sale. Time to replace the old one from last year. And then we'll test it on a couple of interesting rocks. This one is almost solid ore of some kind. I'm pretty sure I can see silver in there, but I also see the pink, which is typically, oh, a piece broke off. The pink is typically a cobalt, like urethorite, and the green is nickel. I think I'd like to slice it right up the middle and see what's in there. But hear that? Solid. And that weighs maybe 2 pounds. The other rock I'm really curious about. It won't completely fit my saw, but maybe I can see what's in here. You can see there is a vein along there, but interestingly enough, there's also ore elsewhere in the rock. This end, not so much until you get down to the vein. But I think this one might be a fancy surprise. Let's cut it. Let's see what's what. So there's the old blade, and you can see there's not much life left in it. Hopefully the new one will cut like butter. Well, replacing a blade is easy peasy, so I may as well show you. In this particular one, in order to lock the motor, you just actually use an Allen key and then take off the bolt. 2 pieces. You have to, only other thing to keep in mind is the direction the blade spins when the motor is on. So get that right. We can have a heck of a time trying to cut. Put on the retainers. Tighten it up. And you're good to go. Well, let's try just a small rock for practice. See if I got the blade on right. Look at that, just like butter. And it's not a bad looking rock, eh? Let's take one more slice of that and then we'll move to the other ones. Okay, there it is cleaned up. It's dendritic, which is nice. What a pleasant surprise. There's the other half with the rind still on it. And the slice. Beautiful. Okay, this one, let's try to get a slice out of it. It doesn't bung up the saw. It's just taking an end off. And maybe, can I get away with that? As I go through, yeah, I'm gonna hit. pooched here. Maybe all I can do is knock that end off. Just to see. Okay, there's nothing in that rock. Huh. You know what? Wonder if I can get through here. Let's go the other direction. Yeah, see that? Once again, I couldn't slice the whole thing, but we can sure see what's inside. I don't see anything there. Talk about a half-assed methodology. See that? There's the vein there. So what I think I might do is try breaking this rock a bit more. There we go. See what's inside. You can see the vein was there, and then it petered out. This one, just up on the end. I would say this rock is almost a dud. Yeah, that looks nice in there, doesn't it? Not very big. And if I squint and look really hard, I can see little dots of metals in here, but boy, not a lot. Okay, moving on. Let's instead cut this, which is more than likely a solid piece of ore. And on that, I'm going to rip it right up the middle. Let's do it. Isn't that interesting? The other side, unfortunately, broke up into some smaller pieces. But let's see. There's the nickel and silver. There we go. Well, let's try polishing and see what these things look like. Be back with you momentarily. Well, here we go. Can definitely see silver was up in this end. And then it stretches through the rock a little bit. Here's the rind. Here's the other side of that piece. Good looking rock. And there's the big one. You can definitely see the nickeline or nickel, which is the coppery color. The silver in through here, right where there was a fracture in the rock. But funny thing, I thought this rock was solid metal, And there's actually quite a bit of rock in here, so the metal was very, very heavy. Isn't that cool? I'm pleased. Thank you for watching.